Okay, so you may have noticed we've dimmed the lights a little bit. That's not because we want to play hide and seek with you. It's because we got some feedback that the screen was hard to see for some of the demonstrations. So in answer to a question earlier, we will be able to provide a number of the slides to you as a follow-up if some of the text was hard to see. But hopefully this new dark mode environment will make it easier to see the screens. Oh, even if you can't see us, I'm here somewhere. Here you go. Okay, so welcome back to part 2 of the technology update. We're going to look now at some of the additional areas of ArcGIS that we haven't covered so far. Starting off with the technology which is actually a complementary one for ArcGIS, developed not by Esri but by Eagle Technology, called Local Maps. So Local Maps is a web application which is built on the same technology stack as the rest of the ArcGIS applications, but is designed to take your web GIS further. All of the applications and capabilities that you saw at the end of part 1, those amazing web applications like dashboards and web maps, and that great stuff you can do with just a browser now. Local Maps fits into that same mold, and it's an Eagle-developed application to allow you to do a number of things for end users who maybe are not GIS specialists, but have got a desire to do some pretty advanced things. Local Maps is an ongoing development effort by Eagle, and to tell you more about what's new and what's coming, I want to pass across to Aravind, our Local Maps product manager.
Thanks, Scott. Hello, everyone. To expand on what Scott mentioned, Local Maps is a powerful web-based solution for organizing, viewing, querying, and sharing your spatial data. It comes with the intuitive user interface, advanced reporting functionality, flexible configuration, and integration options. Feature queries can be configured on top of your web maps, which can give additional information to your end users through the Local Maps viewer. It is used widely in local government sectors, airports, utility, ports, and property sectors. With the Local Maps gallery, you are now able to share all of your content in one place. And you're also able to share secure web maps to your target users, which can only be viewed when they are logged in. The web maps can be viewed through the Local Maps viewer, which also gives you many more additional functionalities and also data. It comes with additional widgets like draw and measure, elevation profile, print, and reporting, with which the users can consume all the data from the web maps. Also, the users can generate reports that can be configured from multiple data sources through your admin panel, which is only logged to the administrators of Local Maps. Right, what's happening with Local Maps? The current version is built using the web app builder to ensure it's future-proofed and delivering more what the user wants from the Local Maps. And the team has been working on a new version of Local Maps built using the Experience Builder. We are aligning ourselves according to SD's direction. So from here on, our focus and development efforts will be more on the Experience Builder side of things. So the new version is coming with latest framework and architecture, which is making it more faster, more accessible, and mobile-friendly. Let's look at what are the recent improvements in the version 3 development. On the viewer side of things, we have a few more additional widgets and functionalities. Widgets would be the attribute table, splash screen, and share widget. The functionalities would be you can now configure feature queries, custom search, and elevation service through your admin profile. On the gallery side of things, it is it's made more configurable now. You can tweak it to look like every one of your other systems or website of your organization. It is mobile-friendly, and now you can use Google Fonts for the gallery and viewer. The admin panel is made more and more user-friendly. Right. Let's quickly look into how the new version is coming along. Just to match the theme of this room, you're looking at the Local Maps with the dark theme. And this can be changed easily through the admin panel, and then you just click it, and then that comes with the preloaded color themes, which will change your gallery eventually and quickly. We're looking at the other instances of Local Maps with all those Eagle, with others to the Eagle brand guidelines and all those icons and the information. So it comes with a header image, an about description with all those categories on your left, with save maps and favorite maps, and the content on your center, along with a footer on the bottom. Now you can add description to your footer and also links as well. Looking at the viewer, so now here is a custom search. So now it's been searched to a different data source than what comes with default, and then you can get the results here. It comes with, it now has your location, zoom extents, which means you can just go further and backwards as how you need. The share widget is now available, which means you can share all your web maps or your drawings with all your users. And let's look at how the feature queries work now. So with the admin panel, you can now configure feature queries. So when you click on a feature in the map, that should bring all the information, and along with information from additional layer services. You can also configure dynamic hyperlinks to match the information that has been appearing in the feature queries. That takes you to the hyperlink that you want the users to go to. Now you're able to look at not just the map, but also the underlying data. So that could be many tables. The user now can see it with just single click of button. You can look at all the data along with options to filter as per your criteria, and they can just export it how they want it to be. Finally, I'm just going to finish it off with a quick click into draw and measure. This is still under development, but the reason to show is this has been redesigned based on the user feedback. So the new draw and measure is made more and more user-friendly to ensure you're able to add more lines, drawings, text to your map quite easily and seamlessly. You can all manage all your drawings through this, the Manage and Export panel, and you can now draw lines, which will give you all the measurements runtime while you're drawing itself. This is still under development, and it's getting better and better every day. And fresh out of the oven, the hot feature is you can now gather feedback from your users right from the gallery. So it cannot only be used for gathering feedback, but also you can redirect users to any other different links or sites that how you want it to be. What's coming up next? So as mentioned, draw and measure widget is still under testing and development. It's being improved as we speak. Reporting is coming along. Accessibility, save maps, add data, and social logins are on the way. And more documentation around this will be shared through the community forum, where you can just go and have a look at how the new features are coming along. With regards to the timeline, we have the alpha version, which is what we are using for testing internally. The beta version will be launched by end of May, early June, which will be made available to all the external users to play around and see how the new local maps is. The production version, after a pre-order testing, will be released by September, and then the implementation will continue from after that. We are excited, and we are looking to show you what new things are and how the new local maps will be. So we have a webinar scheduled on June 15th of June, where the local maps team will be showing all the cool features and widgets that's coming along the new version. So scan this QR code, and this is also available in the Eagle website. Please tune in. And if you have any feedback, feel free to come and talk to us. So the local maps team is right on to my left on the first desk. Feel free to come and have a chat and pass on your feedback. And if not, just drop an email to localmaps@eagle.co.nz, and someone will be in touch. Thank you. Back to you, Scott.